this video, we will look at the reporting functionality of Open-AudIT and how organizations can utilize it to its full advantage. Open-AudIT collects device intelligence through discovery. The raw data collected can then be turned into actionable, reportable insight, providing teams the knowledge across their whole environment. In Open-AudIT 6, reporting proves compliance, improves security, and provides operational awareness. Open-AudIT produces a variety of different reports across device, software lifecycle, inventory, configuration changes, and vulnerability insights. Open-AudIT's reporting engine also makes the generation of reports more customizable and engaging in views understandable for different stakeholders, with technical or executive-facing reports available. Out of the box, there are a number of reports that you can run to improve visibility and security immediately once you have built your asset management platform. 3 critical examples of these display the devices discovered, which provides visibility of newly created devices. It also helps identify unauthorized or rogue devices on your network and strengthens your organization's asset control. Software installed, which clearly outlines new or changed software across devices. It also supports vulnerability management, allowing organizations to react faster to critical vulnerabilities out in the wild. With software also comes license control, an important cost measuring factor of any organization which Open-AudIT reports on. And missing devices, which will identify devices not seen within a defined time frame, as well as flags any assets that may require investigation. Creating a report is straightforward and allows you to customize the type of information collected from device discovery data in formats relevant to your organization. First, you need to create a query. To do this, click on the Manage dropdown, selecting Queries. From here, click on the Create button. First, you'll need to provide the query with a name. Next, select the menu category of your choice from the dropdown. Depending on your skill set, you can either formulate an appropriate SQL query to generate the output, or choose from the filter items below the SQL query text field. With that complete, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. To run a report, click on the Report dropdown in the top navigation bar, selecting your report of choice. Reports can be downloaded and exported either on demand or as a scheduled task. To export the report data from Open-AudIT on demand, inside of the report you are viewing, click on the Export CSV or Export JSON buttons, and this will download to your local machine that you are using to interact with Open-AudIT. To take advantage of Open-AudIT's powerful automation engine, scheduling a task is as simple as clicking on the Reports dropdown and then Schedule Reports. On the Tasks screen, click on Create, and then provide some information such as the task name, the report you want to schedule, and the recipients. You can then choose the format. As a task, you can export as CSV, JSON, as well as HTML. Then set your schedule, and then click Submit. And that is how you can turn your network visibility into audit-ready documentation. With Open-AudIT, discovery feeds device inventory, which feeds reports providing structured evidence. Regularly running a small set of reports provides your organization with a record of changes and proves compliance. That's a quick overview of reporting in Open-AudIT 6. From here, you can tailor reports to your operational needs.